YouTubers. Okay, so we're gonna be searching at a ghost. I thought I saw a couple of them in our house. Just like girls standing. Yeah. Our next video will be at the Lake Forest cemetery. Yeah. Lake Forest Cemetery. I'm going to be using our app in the video because we found one of the statues there. We saw statue. We scanned it and then it had like the ratings were getting high on it and things like, so there might be a ghost that escaped out of it. That's our next video. So we're gonna just skip right into the ghost story.
When Daddy was a kid, he saw a ghost. We might forget this.
Is that a good angle for you guys? Yeah, that's good. Everyone out now.
Yep, is it?
Bye. Okay, the video's over. Saw anything? Write it on the comments below. Make sure it's a really high thumbs up. We want like 1,000 or up or 1,000,000 or up something. If we get over 10 likes, if we get 10 likes or over, then we'll start our next video.
Remember, Johnny Mr. Mom, the name of our YouTube thing. We don't need to spell it. It's right under.
Yep.
Down.
Yep. Johnny Mr. Mom.
Down there.
Yeah, in the comments. Bye.